So what's up, my people? So I'm going to discuss some of the series that are to Puma on one of our streaming services esiwabukayo, and kuloma series lawo engifuna sikhulume ngawo is The Continental, which is currently playing on Prime. Let's go. All right, but firstly, let me remind you, please don't forget to subscribe, press the like button or the bell button so you notifications whenever I post a video. So, i-Continental idlala ku-Prime Video. So this is what's happening. Kwi-Continental ikhuluma basically about umhlaba oka John Wick. I-Continental mhlawumbe niyayikhumbula uma so ubuka John Wick is the hotel where all the assassins meet before they part kuma-missions abo bahamba bobulala abantu, whatever the case might be. It's actually a good show. Yona i-setting yayo is basically in the 70s. Yona into ya recent uJohn Wick esaphila or mhlambe into after movie that recently just came out ka John Wick. So I think, guys, you really need to watch that out. It's a beautiful show. I think it's gonna be 3 episodes. Madam episode I think I was 80 minutes or something, but it's gonna be 3 parts. I think that's it. Yeah, I think you guys really need to watch it. It's on Prime Video. Prime Video is like 79 rands per month, guys. If you've got that or you got Vodacom, you can pay even 30 rands per month. So I'm gigs out 3. They've got nice shows. It's playing on Prime Video, so if you have Vodacom, try it out. In a shows amaningi Continental also John Wick, you're definitely gonna love it. Yeah, man. Another show in sikhulume ngayo is also on Prime ekuthiwa iGenV. Nayo futhi i-spin-off esisuka kwilento with The Boys. iGenV nayo ikhuluma ngalo ntombazana lona osusanda ukwathola ama-powers when she gets into puberty, like no 12 13, but ngoba engakwazi ukwacontrol amasebe ebulala abazali bakhe. Uma ebabulala abazali bakhe, she gets transferred to this facility shuthi edila nabantu abathikamezekile ngengqondo, because man, it's an ordeal ukuthi vele sukubulala abazali bakhe yabo. Usisi wakhe ayihlala naye ekhaya, gets shifted off to the system, bama-adopt and so forth. Yena-ke data leyo ekusukeni kwakhe kwaleyo facility leyo avele angene kwileya university le yenza ama-superheroes, ahamba ayohlala khona-ke, and that's where she gets incorporated nalo mhlaba lona lento ama-superheroes njengayo with The Boys. If you really loved The Boys, then you're gonna love this show. I think The Boys has 3 seasons. It's also on Prime. Uma uthi ufuna to familiarize yourself ukuthi kahle kahle iGenV ikhuluma ngani, I would suggest uqale ubuke yona The Boys, then mase uyabuka iGenV ngoba kodwa iGenV ayihlangene neThe Boys kancane, kuvela into ezithile zakhona. But yeah, man, try that out. It's on Prime Video. Another show ke ezovele sikhulume ngayo ke bese kuba i-reality show ekuthiwa iLove is Blind. Love is Blind is so much drama, guys. Drama. It's just, it keeps on coming. To those who have watched it, my biggest disappointment so far ukuhlukana kwa Aliyah. I'm listening lona ababezona nakuma-pods. Like I was really disappointed. Yabo. Apart from that, there's many other storylines they are a bit shady, so I do not actually understand them. But in Love is Blind, I think it's on season 5. So far, I think they've taken out 7 episodes on Netflix. I think apuma every week. I think the 7 episodes, probably there's going to be 10, including reunion. Reunion as if like right now it's only going to come out like on a very late stage. So you need to check that out. It's a nice reality show. Yeah, man. On TV, Billions season 7 just started tonight on the 2nd of October on Mnet. If you have premium, watch it. It's the last season of Billions. I think yonke into emnandi yaphela kulo nyaka ngoba sekuphele session. Like, what are we left with ngempela bafethu uma uzothanda ama-series like really bafethu hayi mina ngiyakhala. Now ingakho umuntu eqala lokho ebheke ecinga ukuthi what is it that I'm gonna watch, this is gonna be trending entsha yabo, and uma ingeke eqhamukayo, you need to wait for something new that's gonna come through. Yeah, man. So iBillions iphumile season 7, uyabuya futhi uBobby. I think this is more like a farewell thing ngoba ngangitsho singasabuya. Please watch it, bafethu. Season 7 on Mnet. So that's it from me. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe on my page. I thank you so much for the support. I'm gonna post more videos and more shorts about currently trending TV shows on TV and on streaming services. Peace.